This video is a short tutorial that covers how the Socratic seminar will work in class. The goal of the Socratic seminar is for students to help one another understand the ideas, issues, and values reflected in a specific text. Students are responsible for facilitating a discussion around ideas in the text rather than asserting opinions. Through a process of listening, making meaning, and finding common ground, students work toward shared understanding rather than trying to prove a particular argument. So in this class, every time we come up on a new topic, we'll try to have a Socratic seminar. That way you guys can learn from each other and form opinions off of each other and become more well-rounded citizens. In the Socratic seminar, the students will be sitting in a circle. There will be students in the inner circle and the outer circle. Students on the inner circle are the ones discussing what's going on. Students on the outer circle are assigned a student in the inner circle to take notes on and record the conversations they're having. The students on the inner circle will have pre-made higher level questions and notes on the topic that is being discussed. We do this during the prior 2 days in class to prepare for the Socratic seminar. I'm going to show you a little video of what a Socratic seminar should look like.
The question I had today about for the Socratic seminar was, what does he mean by, in a sense, we come to our nation's capital, cash and debt, so they can have freedom and rights?
Okay, class, we're going to do a Socratic seminar today on the I Have a Dream speech. You all have your speeches. Remember to be insightful with your questions. It does not matter. Remember, you're not talking to me. You're talking to your classmates. Outside circle, you guys have the fire seat. You want to say something or have a burning question? Get it? Burning question. You all can come on in and kind of change the conversation or ask that question that you have. Okay, so whoever has a question, whatever you're analyzing, go ahead.
We had a little bit of trouble with number 21. I thought it had a lot of metaphors in it, like, this is our hope, this is the faith with which I return to the South. I didn't really get that.
Maybe he's kind of making a metaphor for, like, during the Civil War, like, the South, there's slavery, and then, like, maybe in the North, there was, like, a lot more people didn't agree with slavery.
And then with this faith, we will be able to hew out of the mountain of despair a stone of hope.
It's kind of like saying, like, right now they're trapped in a cave of slavery, and they want to get out and go to the stone of hope.
Think about this. What about paragraph 22? So this goes to the hilltop. What does the hill represent? I think you guys have some really good metaphors, but I want you guys to look at paragraph 22. This will be the day of all our God's children will be able to sing with a new meaning. You guys can chime in.
Maybe if you're looking on like a mountaintop, there's a circle, and it represents the ring of the mountain.
Keep going.
I agree with Caitlin because, like, and like Preston, like, because like you could hear it, like it rings, like it's like echoes. So you can hear it now.
How it has the peak. I think that he's trying to say that the whites are on the top and the African Americans are on the low bottom because it's probably like they don't have the real rights to get to let them be able to get to the top where they're whites are.
I kind of disagree, because, like, I think that the mountain or the peak means, like, activity in where they are giving the speech, and from a ring, they want it to echo out, from the echo being a change in discrimination out into the rest of the country.
He used mountains a lot, like it could be like if you
Yell at a hilltop, it would echo. So freedom echoes all over hilltops.
Like from Colorado to California to Georgia to Tennessee
so that
to
would spread
Mississippi
out to the rest of the
country.
So that video showed a pretty good example of what a Socratic seminar should look like. In our class, a Socratic seminar may look slightly different, but it'll be following the basic concepts that you just saw. So for our Socratic seminars, what needs to be done? 1, we must read the materials and create questions and ideas about the topics. 2, the inner circle will then use a talking stick, whoever has a talking stick will be the one that is able to speak at the time, and they will take turns sharing about the topic. The outer circle will be taking detailed notes on one of the students from the inner circle, and every student must sit in the inner circle at least once a month. We usually have 2 Socratic seminars a month, therefore you need to be in one at least every other time. On the last page in your intro week packet, you have a sheet of Cornell notes for this Socratic seminar video. Please make sure you answer the questions fully